If your Chevy Traverse refuses to start, don't panic, because the issue usually boils down to a few common culprits. Over a third of all starting issues on this platform are simply caused by a weak or completely dead battery. Let's run through the diagnostic checklist to pinpoint the exact part that is keeping you stranded. Always start with safety, then clean your battery terminals and check the instrument cluster for security lockout warnings. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, your starter motor or its solenoid is likely dead. Traverse models are notorious for water leaking into the underhood fuse box, which rots out critical ignition relays. Relays and basic cleaning can be handled right in your driveway, but module programming requires a trip to the shop. While a simple relay fix is incredibly cheap, replacing the entire underhood fuse box assembly can escalate quickly. Using a digital multimeter to verify a crank signal at the starter wire removes all the guesswork from diagnosis. Grab a standard multimeter and a wire brush to quickly eliminate 90% of these common starting faults. Pro technicians always test the circuit control before throwing an expensive new starter motor at the vehicle. Subscribe to your Tech Pal for more straight-to-the-point automotive troubleshooting guides that save you money.